welcome to another AVI video. Today we're going to be doing another Mustang mod. We're going to be doing LED interior lighting. If you haven't seen our video on the reverse light, go check it out. So today we're going to be doing interior. We have the dome lighting, or the map lighting as it's called, the trunk, the glove box, and the 4 vanity mirrors rear lighting. So we're going to show you how to do it. Let's get to it. So we're going to start with the visors. I have a very thin flathead screwdriver here that we'll use to pry these off. Should be pretty easy. Once you get it under, just lift and it comes right off.
Ooh, nice.
And we'll do the same one to this. Just getting under there. Maybe. Yeah, there we go. Lift. Go to this side. Lift and it'll come off. And actually we're gonna need a screwdriver to take these off, so BRB. So we're back in, we got our Phillips head screwdriver. You don't have to take this part off, you can just pull it out, but just for ease, we're gonna take this whole thing off. One done, make sure you don't lose it. Take the second off. And then when you take this thing off, the lights will turn off because that's how it registers that. So you just pull it off like that. And now we have ease of access to these. We're going to use needle nose pliers very gently. Actually, I can probably just use my finger. They're hot.
Oh, really?
So that's why we're going to put some LEDs in there. Just pull it out like that. Got the old ones. Pull this one. This one's a little bit more difficult
because I'm lefty.
Yeah.
Where's Brian when you need him?
Shout out Brian. If only he watches the vids. I can't get this one. There we go, finally. And now we're gonna put the new ones in. Make sure I'm sitting on. Don't sit on your bulbs. So the small ones are for the vanity mirror. We'll put the link in the description below for these. We purchased them on American Muscle. Make sure not to lose them. And these should just slide in. Yeah, much easier to put them in than take them out. Grab the second one. Put it in. And then to trigger it.
They both work.
No, this one doesn't. So I have to flip this one around. So that's one thing with LEDs is the polarity. Why doesn't this one work? Oh, is this bulb broken? There we go. So nice. both work right now. And now we're gonna put this thing back. So that's one thing is before you put this back on, make sure you test it, make sure they both work. And then we're gonna put this back on, screw them in, and we'll be good to go. So off, flip it up, they're on, and they're LEDs. So now we're gonna put the
shades on.
The shades back on.
I think, are you probably sitting on them again?
Sitting on them. Yep. Don't sit on your stuff. And then these will just clip back in. This way. Just like this. One, two. Make sure you hear 2 clicks. One, two. Okay. And we're done. Nice. Install done. We'll show you guys before and after and to show you the difference.
No more yellow face.
So, no more yellow. So here's the yellow from, we'll be replacing these, but you can see the difference already. There's before.
Oh, camera guy.
And there's after. So nice. much nicer, and at night it'll make even more difference. So
yeah. Cool.
So just try to, we're gonna pry bar, just press it, and it comes right out.
Whoa, it just came right out.
Look at that. So yeah, try to use a pry bar instead of the needle nose. It's much easier to get in there. And then we'll grab the one LED thing. Now it's harder to see because you don't have any light. There we go. So it's on, and press this off, it's off, and it's on. Glove box is done. So now we're onto the trunk. This will be your second bigger bulb. And we, full disclosure, we already tried to do this one, but it's very difficult to get it off. So what we think you need is a bigger screwdriver than the small pry one that you use for the inside.
I feel like you might need a flat though, no? Or...
Yeah, but I was trying to be lazy.
Okay, let's try it with the Phillip.
I gotta get in the trunk and just pry this. Maybe not. Looks like there's glue or something. That's weird. But yeah, I think Dave's right.
The flatter the better. Yeah, sometimes.
Dave's right. We need a flathead. Okay. Back in the trunk I go. Dude, what? That's so easy.
Nice.
So once you get it, use the flathead. You get this whole thing. Try to unclip this thing.
Hot things are hot.
That's very hot. Don't touch the bulb.
Oh man.
And disconnect. So once you get this thing out, the bulb is, we gave it some time to cool down so we can finagle with it. So we're gonna use a pry bar. And by pry bar I mean
I know you've been saying that. And I'm like
a flathead. And
nice.
So you just get it from below, it'll pop right out. And now we need to find the bulb that was here. Somewhere, right here.
Came on.
Plug it into the harness. Boom, you'll hear a click. Plug it into the thing. Where's it? Right here. Plug it in. And it works.
Nice.
Now we're gonna climb back in the trunk. Put it back up. Boom.
Cool.
So you try to get one side in and then you slide this side in and it'll lock into place, so it looks much better. Now the trunk install is complete. You can see it's much brighter.
Much brighter.
And we'll show you guys night pictures as well. So now we only have the dome lighting to do. So let's
Save
do
the
it.
hard for last.
Let's do it. So we're back in the interior. Now we're gonna do these. As you can see, they're LED. We're gonna do one and not the other. We'll show you guys before and after. So there's been conflicting stories on whether or not you should take this whole thing off or try this. If I were to try this, to try to pry this, you might be able to see like the...
I think, yeah, you can even see the dents.
You can see like the dents. So I'd rather just pull it off and hopefully not break a clip. Just do it really nice and easy. So we're gonna show you guys. So you can just get your fingers right behind it and pull and it comes right off. So
That sounded bad.
doesn't
though.
look like it broke anything.
Hope not.
And we can turn it around and see what we need to see. There we go. So we were able to turn it around. We're able to just pull
Clips
this.
are like they're metal, right? So why
Nope,
would
this
they
is
break?
plastic.
Oh, I feel metal.
So we should just be able to pull this off. Let me do this one first. It's easier to get to.
Oop.
Something fell.
Is that a clip?
Something fell, but anyway, we got to this part. So we popped this side off. Now we're gonna pop this side off. Try not to pull on the wires if you can. Try to wiggle it. It's very awkward. There we go. So now we got both that are there. We'll get the two new bulbs. Pull these off without getting burnt.
Still hot.
Yep, still hot, but just do it quick. One done. Put this one in, 50-50 shot. And just put it in. And test it with this. So it doesn't really feel like it's in.
There's no click.
There's no click, but so you can just test it with pressing this button, make sure this part is in, and put it back into the harness, and I'll do that after I do this bulb. I gave this bulb like a few minutes to cool down, so it's not too hot to grab. And put this one in. Once again, no click. This one's a little bit more difficult because I'm doing it backwards.
Yeah.
My arms are getting tired. I need to go to the gym more from holding it in my hand.
This is the last bulb.
There we go. Okay. So I was able to get that one, test it, make sure it works. Yep, it works. Now we're going to put them back into the housing. That one seems to be in. Oh, that one. You'll hear a click once it's officially in. Boom, boom, 2 clicks. And now for the fun part, putting this back into its housing. So get one side, be able to line it up.
So that wasn't bad at all.
And it just clicks back in. And now you can see one. Oh shoot, we didn't do before and after.
No, but
That's okay. So boom, boom, and they work.
Cool. I don't know what fell before, but I guess we don't need it.
So if a part falls from your dome light, you don't need it, I guess.
Yeah.
But that completes the install. And
thank you for watching, and
thanks for watching. Make sure to smash that like button. Subscribe if you want to see more mods. We got more Mustang mods, more Subaru mods, and more car review mods.
Springtime.
Car reviews when springtime comes.
Yeah.
So just like that,
AVI out.
out.